Welcome to the session 2020-21. Welcome in 9th standard. I, Mrs. Megha Gizre and Mrs. Suchita Shembekar Madam will teach you English this year. The world of technology has brought us together in this lockdown period. Let us take advantage of it and make this session fruitful. Children, I am thrilled to introduce you all to our textbook, English Kumar Bharati Standard 9. Let us begin. Welcome children. Let us begin this session with the quote by Robert Sculler. Tough times never last but tough people do. With this thought in mind, I would like to introduce you all to the cover page of our textbook, English Kumar Bharati Standard 9. The cover page shows a deer. It symbolizes the powers in nature that are not easily subdued or overpowered. They are native to every continent except Australia. Thus, they are able to adapt very well in many habitats. Similarly, children, we need to adapt ourselves to various situations that come in our way. They represent instinctual energy, independence and regeneration, which stems from their antlers being shed and regrown each year. It is a sight to pay attention, be aware and appreciate the beauty in our lives. These are the following pages. Children, I would like you to focus on the statement of competencies because it enlists ways to make you more competent in English language. Read the statement of competencies to enhance the skills of listening, speaking, reading and writing to get the most out of it this year. Try to follow the instructions given to the best of your ability. The contents page shows the outline of the journey we are about to take this year. It consists of 4 units that include 9 poems and 11 lessons. So children, let us embark on this journey together. Here are a few instructions for the new year. Make a 100 pages notebook for English subject and label and cover it properly. Read the statement of competencies and try to follow it. Children, now we are going to see internal evaluation for English first language. In this, we have 20 marks oral and 80 marks written. The activity sheet that will be given to you will be 80 marks written activity sheet. In the next slide, we have mark distribution for orals. Listening skills 5 marks, speaking skills 5 marks. And then you have got 2 assignments for first term and second term. That is assignment 1 of 5 marks and assignment 2 of 5 marks, total 20 marks. Moving on to the next slide, we have oral examination to elaborate. That is listening skills, any one of the following. You can listen to a passage or a poem or an audio clip and answer the simple factual questions, any 5, or listen to the sentences, any 5 or words, any 10, minimum 5-letter words will be given and you are supposed to write it down. In the next one, you have oral examination, that is speaking skills, any one of the following for 5 marks. Number 1, express your opinion on the book you have read, that is book review. Speak on any given topic. And the third one is express on any lesson or poem from your textbook in 8 to 10 sentences. Then in assignments, either you will get and this assignment has to be kept for 2 years. Any 2 of the following can be given. Children, any 2 of the following assignments will be given by the teachers. In this, we have write a dialogue on the given topic, frame interview questions and write an imaginary interview of your favorite personality. You need to frame your questions as well as answers. Then fill or complete 2 different application forms. or make a collection of 25 phrases and frame sentences of your own, or make a collection of 25 proverbs, maxims, slogans, quotations, etc. 2 assignments, they carry 10 marks, 5 marks each, and you need to see that you write these assignments on the ruled sheets. Children, here we have few more instructions for speaking skills. You need to speak, express your opinion on the book that you have read. You are expected to speak as per the following points. You need to cover name of the book, name of the author, theme of the book, language of the book, social or historical context, your thoughts, likes, dislikes related to that book. Then we have instructions for assignments 2, that is dialogue writing, proper instruction or beginning, appropriate flow of thoughts, use of grammatical structures, constructions, vocabulary, then proper layout and conclusion, minimum 8 exchanges of both the speakers. So you need to cover all these points in dialogue writing. In interview writing, you need to frame questions, 4 questions, then write an imaginary interview. Answers of interview and interviewee are essential in this. Use all type of questions. Write proper greetings, introductions and conclusion. 6 questions and its answers are expected. Dialogues from course book or related to the course book can also be used. The 2 different application forms. Complete the 2 different application forms. The application forms may be admission, bank account, library, recruitment and so on. Remember that the topics will be given by the teachers in advance. Collection of phrases, as told previously, you have to make a collection of 25 phrases and frame sentences of your own. Form sentences based on any 5 of them. Then again a collection of 25 proverbs or maxims, slogans or quotations. Students, you must write the assignments on sheets of paper. Evaluation for 9th standard, first term and second term. Written exam is of 80 marks, internal 20 marks, oral plus assignment. Oral, as told before, listening 5 marks, speaking 5 marks and 2 assignments. Total comes out to be 100. In the next video, we will be discussing about format of activity sheet of 80 marks. Thank you.